cia mwanya muno makaria mwandiki witu kuma kaunti ya Naikuru gwetwithirana icio cia Raila Amolo Odinga na riu tugitigana na ripoti yo tuthie na mbere kumurika cigimene na uteti na kuria ndogamano ya Azimio na Kenya Kwanza de guthiraga ya tira umuthi abunge a miaho ino ere magithie na mbere na njukaniriro thutha wa abunge a Azimio okorwo makendekithia Rigathi wa Gachagua na munini wa mutongoria wa buri okorwo agithuthurio ni DCI thutha wa mĩario yake ya kurota munene wa Azimio Raila Amolo Odinga ni undu wa mirurungano iria irigirirwo gugatabanio muthe wa Jumatatu goko nao atongoria kuma mwaho wa Kenya Kwanza magitetera Gachagua na kayu kanene.
The call by Mr. Ruto that Honorable Odinga agrees with the police how to go about the demonstrations is uncalled for, is unnecessary. The police know their duty, which is to protect lives and property of Kenyans. It is not the work of Raila Odinga or anybody else in Azimio to help them do their work. Or Ruto for that matter.
That the planned disruptions planned for Monday are desperate, selfish, evil, treasonable, and unpatriotic actions of a sole loser.
The net beneficiary of all the looting was Raila Odinga plus his sponsors, who are even sponsoring him up to today. We know the desperation for Mr. Odinga, besides the late realization that he may not have the energy and the stamina to run another election, is the desperation to cover up for the theft and outright looting of our economy under the last regime.
And it's raining all over the country now. So it's the time to plant. It's not the time to uproot. It's the time to plan, not the time to plunge us into chaos. It's the time to build, not to destroy. As I want to request all young people in this country, from wherever they are, mostly from my community and the larger Western Kenya, that you
ginya hau riu tukinyite tukwamba gwikiria o hanini tugicokereria turacokereria na maya.